Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the gold over the US dollar markets. As you can see in today's trading session, we haven't really done much. We did spike higher initially in the pre-markets, but since then we've paired our gains and we now currently find ourselves trading at 1841. Yesterday I said that we should look out to see where the market closed because there was a potential of forming a hammer candlestick, and that's exactly what happened, which is typically a bullish sign. And earlier on we were trading a lot higher, but since then we've now come and formed a shooting star candlestick, which is typically a bearish sign. So I would not be surprised going into Wednesday's trading session whether we did have another attempt down to 1800, where the 200-day currently lies. We've got the 200-day EMA lines at 1808. So what we could see going into Wednesday's session is some more downward pressure down towards the 200-day EMA. That being said, that is an area where I do believe buyers will re-enter the market and support, and that would be a great buying opportunity from my point of view. I'd be a buyer at the 200-day EMA, aiming towards the 50-day EMA up at 1874. So that would give you roughly 65 to 70 points towards the upside, and then you could just put your stop loss down at around 1780. So you have a fantastic 3-to-1 risk reward ratio on that trade. I also wouldn't be surprised if we did turn around in tomorrow's tomorrow's trading session and trade back up towards the 50-day EMA. But I do not really want to enter the gold markets right now, as we are in the middle between the 50-day and the 200-day EMA. So at this point it really could go either way. The fundamentals are telling me that we should go higher, but the price movement is telling me to wait. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait to see whether we can have another attempt at the 200-day EMA. Last time that happened, I would cherry pick the bottom, and I made some significant amount of profit when I closed up at around 1910 area. So that really was a great rally. So we could have another scenario here where we go and retest the 200-day EMA. We then buy, and that sends us back up towards a $1,900 level. And we break back out of this holding pattern that we've been trading in for the past 3.5 months, and we go up to my ultimate take profit up at $2,000. That's my 3 to 6 month forecast for the gold market. So I'm still very bullish. We're still in a low interest rate environment, and I personally believe that gold should be bought on every significant dip that occurs. And last week that definitely occurred on Friday, when we fell all the way from 1915 all the way down to 1850. So I know a lot of people lost money last Friday, but right now this week could be a great opportunity to make that money back if we do get a perfect buy entry at around that 200-day EMA at around 1815. So for that reason, I am a buyer. No interest in selling this market. However, I'm going to be waiting patiently on the sidelines until we do get that perfect buy entry down at that 200-day EMA. So for now, I'm waiting on the sides, but I am still bullish. That is my bias here on the gold markets.